Looks like you won't be going to any more dances in college. This is going to be the last one. You know Davis has a terrific theatre if you're still interested in theatre. Are you?
I don't know, I'm probably no good at acting. Why don't I look like the girls in magazines?
I'd like to meet this Kyle before you're formal.
Yeah, well, he's not my boyfriend anymore. I mean, maybe he never even was.
No, but I'd still like to meet him.
It's too tight. Fuck!
Someone shouldn't have had that last helping of pasta.
Mum.
Honey, you seem upset. I'm just trying to help.
You're getting me an eating disorder.
For God's sake.
Wish I could get an eating disorder.
You know you're going to have to start learning to cook for yourself. Oh, that's cute. I might get you some of those Coles magazines. They've got some good recipes in those.
Seriously?
You right, hun?
Yeah, I'm fine. I love it.
It's a bit pink. What?
Why can't you just say I look nice?
Thought you didn't care what I think.
I still want you to think I look good.
I'm sorry. I was just telling the truth. Do you want me to lie?
No, I wish that you liked me.
Of course I love you.
Yeah, but do you like me?
Honey, I just want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can.
Well, what if this is the best version?
How much is this thing? $200? You've got to be kidding. Looks like we're having leftovers for the rest of the week.